For the last 2 months, I have not been folding my clothes. What I want you to do when I've shown you around the wardrobe is comment which section you want me to start on, and we'll get this all done together, and I literally cannot wait to get it sorted. So I'm going to show you in the wardrobe. I feel so exposed. The problem I've got with the coats is that they're so bulky, they're taking up so much of my wardrobe. I mean, the coats that I wear the most are actually downstairs on the hook. These are going to get moved back under the bed in a less accessible place, because my biggest tip is the key to organisation is accessibility. It's accessibility to the things that you use, the things that you wear the most. This shoe rack's actually very annoying. It's not sturdy or versatile, and there's bits coming off it. I've ordered one from Amazon that should be here in a few days. And here's the other thing. When your choice of organisation products are easy to use and working and accessible, you will not have this situation right here, which is shoes or trainers that have not been put away. It's either the product that's not working or the fact that all the coats are actually covering it, because there is another layer here. This is just not working. Right, let's go to the other side of the wardrobe. My only saving grace is that I have matching hangers. Look at that. I mean, that is a £1,000 Gucci bag that is stuffed in there. This is bad, man. This is bad. Oh my God. This is the Amazon ad thing that I bought. I forgot that I bought it. This is what happened. I saw this on an Amazon ad and I was like, I'm buying that to do a review on it. It's through my drawers as well. This drawer, that will always be tidy. My gym drawer, I am going to go through this and get rid of some stuff because I need to be focused for the London Marathon this year. Pyjama drawer. Wow. I mean, that's just... Oh, okay, this has been the hardest one because I really love to fold socks. I have actually carried on folding everyone else's in the house, but mine, no. Can't wait to fold it. That's Jacob's. That is Jacob's sock. Oh, that's Arthur's sock. I don't know what is going on in here. This isn't even socks. Oh my God, that's Arthur's underpants. Shorts. I mean, this is just, yeah. Right, let's have a look in Jacob's wardrobe. This is going to be worse than mine. Oh look, my filming equipment in his wardrobe. Feel free to feel sorry for Jacob because he only has that rail and these drawers. But he really doesn't need anything else. It's like t-shirts, jeans, tops. We need to get this sorted. Okay, it's time to vote. Where do you want me to start? Thanks for watching, and I honestly cannot wait for the next video. It couldn't come soon enough.